Greetings to all of you from the Upram Classes channel. Here is today's video. We are talking about 10 vital tips to help students score well in their upcoming board exams. While preparing from home, board exams for 10th and 12th grades are considered as the basic building blocks for the future formation of the student. The patterns and evaluation criteria for these exams are being changed frequently to prepare students for a comprehensive higher education. The COVID-19 pandemic is now in it is near about 1 year, and absence of classroom learning has added to the stress of students preparing for board exam 2021. Here are 10 important tips to help students achieve goal in the upcoming board examination while preparing from home. Now, friends, we will talk about first tip, and that is execute rapid learning approaches. Now, no matter how reduced the course outline is, it still impasses here in the minds of many to go through the complete text. Hence, learning from advanced learning techniques like mnemonics wise help students remember quickly through keyword and acronyms, can save a lot of time and help students to revise the entire section at a quick glance. Now we come on second, that is don't mix more in mind. Train your brain in a positive way and do not load it with a lot of opinions. Be clear in your mind and do not stress yourself to cover things that are outside your reach. Now we come on third, and that is generate a steady and serene study environment. Ensuring a stable study space is certainly significant as it helps the student attain self-possession. The key is minimizing the interruptions from the space. They can be in the form of sound and visuals. Avoid having your study area near to background sound of TV, music or music system, etc. Now we come on fourth, and that is getting away with important topics. Friends, the thought of going back to the whole chapter can be worrying for students. Therefore, highlighting the key issues can be helpful in learning and rethinking. But how to know which topics are important? Various types of books that are available in the market introduces one of all for all board class exams to provide a deeper lens into problems that are most likely to come into the board exams. Now we come on fifth tip, and that is solve simple papers. It is often said that there is nothing better than practice, and practice makes perfect. Try to solve one sample question paper every day from 10 am to 1 am in an environment close to what you are going to expect at your exam center. Now we come on sixth topic, and that is labor on general committed errors. Many a times students are not able to perform their best even though they know all the answers. Friends, there are many grammatical or writing errors made by the students. Hence, while preparing for exams, students must be conscious of such common errors. Now we come on 7, and that is pursue an appropriate schedule. Go to bed early, get up in the morning, have breakfast, and then study. Don't try to be too late and avoid worrying about any counterproductive moments. Be focused and keep preparing for the important day. Now we come on healthy, wealthy, and wise. Studying away from social circle are emotionally exhausting. To be happy and have stable mindset, proper exercise is important. Exercise might appear to be boring in the beginning, but it helps to staying active and having better concentration. Taking nutritious food is also important. Friends, it may not be as attractive as convenient as junk food like we use nowadays, but it can provide the energy and stability that the body needs during rigorous study. Friends, green vegetables, fruits, dried fruits, and dairy products can help you, and these are very much energetic. Now, friends, we come on ninth, and there is don't be scared to ask for support. Friends, present situation is tough for everyone around, all the trying to fit in the new normal. It is common for young students to overthink about their projections and doubt themselves. In such extreme situations, it is vital to seek support of an adult or a friend. The most important thing is to open up about your state of mind. No good comes out of pent up feelings. Parents and friends are the best choice for seeking emotional support during such times. Friends, we come on the 10th topic, but I will say that is first topic, and that is time management tips. Friends, in this topic we will know about set priorities, be realistic, make a timetable, planning, weekly reviews. Then first is priorities your tasks. Friends, don't just rush from task to task throughout the day. Review the list of what you have to do that day at the day's start, and then pick out the things that you must do that day. Then focus on getting those things done. At the end of day, you will have a feeling of accomplishment no matter what else got messed up or went wrong. Now be realistic. It is very difficult, friends, but too many of us are stretched too thin because we have bought into the myth that everyone can do it all. We should all work full time, spend quality time with our friends and our family, spend time with our friends, do volunteer and community work, get involved in causes, work and staying fit and healthy, and spend time relaxing and rejuvenating ourselves. Make a timetable. Friends, timetable and planning is the key of success. As our school term begins and your courses schedule is set, develop and plan for blocks and study time in a typical week. And now, when classes are closed, blocks ideally are around 50 minutes, but perhaps you become restless after only 30 minutes. Some difficult materials may require more frequent breaks. Shorten your study blocks is necessary, but don't forget to return to the task at hand. What you do during your break should give you an opportunity to have a snack, relax, or otherwise refresh or re-energize yourself. Weekly reviews. Friends, weekly reviews and updates are also an important strategy. Take a day out to review yourself and your strategy. Friends, see where you intended to be and where you are. At the end of the week, this may prompt a question or two about something you don't quite understand to ask about in class or after. It also demonstrates to your mind that you are interested and have prepared. By following this, even though you won't magically get more hours in a day, but you will be able to more effectively manage the time you have. Friends, in terms of what you get done and how you feel, that will make all the difference. Friends, while writing this, delivering the video, my aim was to pen down all the useful board exam preparation tips for my young friends that make your exam preparations a fun exercise. I hope I have justified my writing. Wishing all your board exam aspirants tremendous amounts of good luck.